Robynne world, Robynne's world, Robynne's world, Robynne's world. Hi guys, welcome to Robynne's world. Today I'm walking with my dad and we're walking together and we're walking to the neighborhood and we hear birds tweeting and we hear birds flying and we saw people's houses, we saw a dog and we saw puppies. We saw 2 puppies, right? 2. Yeah, we saw 2 puppies. These and we saw a guy with a trash can. He was a trash can, and the sun is warm, it's breezing, is
not too hot.
Not too hot. It's not very, very hot. It's warm. It's not, is it cold? It's not cold. It's warm and cool. And it's warm and cool. I smell the flowers and there's bugs in spring break.
Oh yeah, it's everywhere, yeah.
Yeah, bugs everywhere. There's ladybugs, bees, and even butterflies. Yeah, butterflies are so cute too. And we got flowers, got other flowers too.
Show the flowers.
Yep, that's the flowers.
The flowers.
This is all the flowers. And we heard birds. We saw a guy with the truck. With a trash can. No, the guy with he was driving.
Okay.
Yeah, picked up trash and yeah, it's a beautiful day outside. We are taking a walk in the sidewalk and we love to take a walk. Maybe someday I'll take my kids to the park or maybe I can take my kids for a walk. When I get, I may I'll turn to adults. And
that's after college.
After college.
And after you start your own business.
After I start my own business.
Yeah.
Hey, look, there's a dog. Same one before.
Okay.
Is that a golden retriever or a Labrador retriever? I couldn't tell. Maybe it's a golden retriever. Yeah. And maybe I could after college, and when I get my own business, like what?
Well, whatever you're interested in.
A doctor, or I like singing. Singing's good.
Okay.
And maybe I could be a singer when I grow up. I don't know. I think I'll be a daycare worker when I grow up. Yeah. And we're going up to the house. I'm gonna put my shoes, other shoes on. I can play outside.
Yeah, because these are shoes she has on.
Yep.
Trying to walk in some flip-flops.
Yes.
Let me get a picture of your shoes.
Look at this. These are flip-flops. I'm making go to the beach with flip-flops. Flip-flops, sorry.
Let me see. I hope I show them. Yeah, there you go. Okay.
And you see cars, you see trees, and you see children. Well, we didn't see children. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Anything else you want to say?
Subscribe.